Apply Flitz paste polish directly onto fiberglass. Flitz is a chemical-based product. The abrasive factor is 4,000, so it's very, very soft. Smoosh the polish around with a Flitz buff ball so it doesn't splatter. Start with a slow speed and then speed up as you work to bring the fiberglass back to life. The buff ball runs up to 1800 RPM but doesn't create heat. Use it on fiberglass, plexiglass, isinglass, and acrylics. You can even run the buff ball right over decals. Once finished, wipe off any residue with a microfiber. The finished result is bright compared to the old oxidation. Follow up by spraying the surface with Flitz ceramic sealant. After you apply it, wipe it off gently and it will cure in 2 hours. This protective coating will be good for a minimum of 6 months up to a full year. It leaves a difference you can see and feel.